So friends, pre-orders for the new iPhone 17 family have been live since yesterday in the 63 countries, part of the first wave of countries. This list includes the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, China, Colombia, France, Germany, India, Japan, Malaysia, Mexico, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, Turkey, the UAE, Vietnam and other countries. Going through most of these official online Apple stores shows that pre-order delivery is expected to take place on September 19. The official launch date stated by Apple. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max in particular seems to be so popular in the US pre-orders that its expected delivery windows on apple.com now say 3 to 4 weeks or the beginning of October at the earliest. After exploring the various storage and color options, it appears that all of them are affected proportionally, so don't expect to find an odd combination that will let you get a Pro Max on September 19. That said, there might very well still be some scheduled in-store unit pickups on that date. Plus, that is just the official Apple online store. Carriers and third-party sellers could still have stock. And in case you were wondering, here are the starting prices for the iPhone 17 family in various markets. As a reminder, all of the new devices starting with 256GB storage. As another reminder, the Air is being delayed in China due to some regulatory issues. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.